In my opinion, this is a very underrated figure from a very underrated line. This is the Marvel Comics Iron Man Blizzard with Ice Fist Punch, as seen in the Marvel Action Hour. This is made by Toy Biz in 1995, and I don't think the Iron Man and the Fantastic Four lines get a lot of love. Iron Man, they made a lot of like weird ones, but I mean, look at that MODOK. Who doesn't want that? Hawkeye, that's a good sculpt, good looking figure. Blizzard, who's in my hands. The Dragon Man, who doesn't want that? Human Torch, that's cool. That's a cool. Fire Lord, Thanos. I mean, not all of them are winners, of course. But this is Blizzard. He's a brilliant scientist driven insane, and he fights Iron Man. He's got an ice fist and an ice javelin. And I mentioned before that, one of the reasons I didn't like going to Sunday school is because it was on Sundays, obviously, during, I think it was like 10 to 11, and that was the time when they would show Iron Man, Fantastic Four, the Incredible Hulk cartoons, and I would miss them, so I was always kind of not happy about that, because they were cool cartoons. They were pretty cool. And I was looking at this price tag just now, so you see it's that kind of fake looking pen, KB markdown 3 for $10 from $7.99. $8 for an action figure in 1995 is a lot. I mean, that's about what they cost now. There might be a little bit more depending on what they are, but yeah, I can imagine paying $8. I mean, you could get a G.I. Joe was still $3, maybe $4 back then. So I would much rather get 2 G.I. Joes and have some change left over than pay $8 for a Iron Man figure. But there he is, and I think he's cool. I think it's a good sculpt. I like his look. He feels kind of greasy. I've noticed that in other episodes. They feel like greasy or sticky. I'm not really sure why that is. He feels kind of loose, like his arms, but I guess that's what he's supposed to do. Throw Ice Fist Punch by twisting at waist. So, let's see. Yeah, so he kind of like punches. I don't know. It's a little lame, but I don't know. I think he's a cool looking figure. I like his color scheme. Maybe because I live in Kentucky and everybody here are Wildcats fans, UK colors. Unless you're a Louisville Cardinals fan, but most of us like UK. So maybe I'm drawn toward those colors. Let's get his Ice Fist on here. I think this is a cool accessory. Sorry about that. I don't know if I just broke this or if it's supposed to come apart. I thought it pushed on, but it doesn't. It actually snaps apart and snaps over his fist, if you can see that. Actually, I think I might have broken it. Let's see, there are little pegs and peg holes in there. Alright, so that's not working out too well. I think I might have broken it. He's also got an ice javelin that he can throw at people. And he's got this thing, which I don't really understand. So I guess it's Stark Industries, Stark Enterprises. Gregor Shapanka. Oh, he used to work at Stark. Stealing and selling company technology. He's one of his greatest enemies. I doubt that. Is this supposed to be like an ID badge? Like, why does that... Why would a villain have an ID badge with his villain information on it to enter Stark Labs? That's kind of weird. Like, are you supposed to wear this? Like, as the person who buys this figure, are you gonna like put that on your shirt or something? I don't know. That's kind of a weird thing. I mean, I like it if it was just sort of like a file card or a stand. I mean, that would be kind of cool as a, you know, you could, stand him up and have his little information there. But yeah, the ID badge, that's an odd decision by Toy Biz, but oh well. So let's see, we got his ice javelin, and this is a cool accessory. I mean, you could definitely use this in other figures. Maybe if you have like a Snow Miser figure, you could use that. So I like that. I like the ice javelin. The ice fist isn't working out too great. Maybe he could fight Iron Fist with his ice fist. I do think I broke it. I thought when I put it on, I thought it like went over his fist. Like it would just, it was kind of like squishy maybe, or like fit on there well, but it doesn't. There are pegs and peg holes, and it just, I don't know. I'm just all over the place. I need to get me a... You'd think I would have a tripod by now, so I apologize. I'm just kind of a cheapskate. I spend more money on my toys than on any kind of equipment. Yeah, the ice fist, I don't know. I got it together. I can't really get it on his fist. That's not working out too well, but you get the idea. So anyway, this is Gregor Shapanka, the Blizzard, Mr. Blizzard, you might want to call him, from Iron Man. I think this is a cool figure. I'm going to keep it. I really like him. I like his accessories. The ID badge is weird, but I think he's cool. So thanks for watching, and keep an eye out. Hopefully I'll have some more Iron Man and Fantastic Four figures in the future.